Morning, class. This morning we're going to take a look at Unit 2, Activity 4, Assignment 1, Sketching Graphs. So I just want to make sure that you are on the right track and sketching the graphs correctly. I'm using a graphics program, Adobe Fireworks. You can use Microsoft Word, the tools, the drawing tools. You can use Google Drawing or any other drawing software package that you have at your disposal. Or you can also just sketch the graphs on graph paper and email to me as an attachment in the Dropbox, or take a picture of it and attach to the Dropbox. Milk. So recently it has become possible to give cows a hormone that increases their milk supply. So you need to determine whether or not this affects supply, demand, quantity supplied, or quantity demanded. You need to take a look at those notes in the content section. Is this a factor, right, that affects supply? Is this a factor that affects demand? A growth hormone is similar to technology. So we know that technology affects supply. So in this case, we're going to have an increase in supply, an increase in the milk supply. So we're going to see an increase in the supply curve. You want to make sure that before you even show this increase, that you start with an equilibrium condition. There's my original supply curve. There's my original demand curve. There's my original equilibrium condition, my original price, my original quantity. So now we're going to draw a new supply curve, a shift to the right. We're going to show our new equilibrium condition where the new supply curve intersects demand. We're going to have a new price. We're going to have a new quantity. So there's my price, E2, my quantity, E2. And we want to make sure that you tell me that yes, supply increase, price decreases. And in this case, quantity will also increase. And my increase in quantity, decrease in price, and my increase in supply. So just make sure that you follow this procedure for each of the scenarios. Always start off with your equilibrium condition, which is your original supply and demand curve with a price and quantity. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And again, just reread the content section, factors that affect demand, factors that affect supply, and that you are able to distinguish between those factors and just a movement along the curve, right, which is a change in quantity demanded or quantity supplied. Thanks, and have a great day.